From Kenya. I've lived in the States since '93. I lived in Seattle. I have 3 kids. My oldest son is 25. Then I have a 16, and my daughter is gonna be 10 tomorrow, April Fools. And this means so much. You know, as a parent, I felt so guilty coming. You know, it's her birthday. You know, I'm the only parent at home at the moment. But it means so much for me to support her because she's very nice, you know, to me and my son and my family. You know, they are great people. But the whole experience, just having been out there, seeing women with their kids, like 8 months old, when we were going inside the summit, and that moved me so much. Sometimes I'm a person who wants to give up, so it's like, oh, if I go to the store and there's a long line, it's like, no, I don't have to wait for this, I can come tomorrow. But that made me wait there, seeing these people so determined to go in there, and it really, you know, every experience today was just so moving to see how many people are involved, and it really made me wake up more, knowing that this is a great thing for all these people to come here and stay in these long lines. Older people, young people, babies crying, but the parents couldn't give up. They just stood there. And having to listen to these people, you know, their amazing stories and their experiences they have had was just so much. Every time, like, goosebumps would come. You know? I come from where there is a lot of, most countries have poverty, but you know, just knowing how the Nu Skin is involved with the kids, you know, my nutrition and stuff like that, wants me to work harder to make sure that especially kids in Kenya or other African countries or other people can get involved. Because when you think of Nu Skin, most people you try to talk to would be like, no, I don't think I need that, but most people would want to give back by helping people in need. People can't, you know, we have so many orphans from AIDS and other things who don't have parents who would appreciate something like that. And I think whether it's anybody from all walks of life, they want to find a way of giving back, and I think, you know, saving the children with this is a good opportunity for people to be involved in, and that will help them want to buy the other products, you know. So it was moving, and I'm so excited to be here with Hong, and I feel like a million, you know, I can be an eagle too.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. I hope nobody breaks my wing.
So you're in the coop then, huh?
Yes, and I have to say one thing. I'm a businesswoman. You know, I grew up with, you know, my parents were business people. I do flea market, you know, but I want to advance. I do good, but it's, you know, weekends. And my son being in medical school, my older son, has to deal with the loans and stuff like that. I don't want my other kids to deal with that, you know. I want to make sure that they are able to, I'm able maybe to support them, and they don't have to deal with like what my older son is dealing with. You know, going to medical school is going to be a lot of money involved, but if this works out, I think it's a good thing. So as a parent, you worry so much. You want them to study hard, but at the same time, you don't want them worrying about the loans they owe, you know. So, you know, that want to be 10 eagles right now.
That's the reason why. Yeah,
Yeah,
I think most of her life is around her
I
children.
wanna introduce
Yes,
So
yes.
Well, thank you for sharing.
Yes. So
I wanna introduce
your
my
husband, I mean your fiance,
Future.
Yeah,
her
Son.
oldest son.
yes,
The
yes.
one in
They went to the
medical
same
school.
school, they were in the same college, and I think they